Hello children, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Now tell me, do you like to work and play with others? Yes, we all like to work and play with others. I know nobody likes to play alone because the feeling of joy we can't imagine if we play alone. So, our today's topic is teamwork, and in this poem, we will get to know how teamwork is very important in our daily life. The objectives of this poem are to recite and enjoy the poem with proper rhythm, to develop the language and thinking skills, to understand the meaning of new words, to answer the questions based on the poem. Let's see what is given in the poem Teamwork. Teamwork, teamwork, together we can make our dream work. Then we will share the joy of what we have done. Teamwork, everyone. In this stanza, the poet wants to tell us about teamwork. You must be thinking about the meaning of teamwork. Okay, I will tell you. Group of people working together to achieve the common goal is called teamwork. Here, poet wants to tell that every dream can be achieved if we work in team, and after achieving our dream we can share the happiness among each other. It's fun to shoot the basketball through the hoop, but if nobody passes, then nobody shoots. Children, you know the game basketball. Basketball is a team game, and in this game, one player has to pass the ball to the other player. Then only you can play the game successfully and you can achieve your goal. If one player passes the ball to the other player, then only that player can shoot the ball through the hoop. And the relay race just can't go on if nobody wants to pass the baton. Baton is one type of thing that is used in relay race. Baton means a short tube or stick that is carried in a relay race with player. Relay race is also the team game. In this game, one player has to pass the baton to the other player. Then only race can be won. And if one player doesn't pass the baton to the other player, then race cannot be won. We are the parts that make up the whole, and we have got our eyes on a common goal. Sometimes it can be a big plus when you and me becomes an us. We work together as a team and we have a common goal. We have eyes on that target. So the team is the whole and the members of the team are the parts. Instead of looking our personal interest and likes, if we work together towards that common goal, it can be a very big advantage for the whole team or the whole group. These are just a few examples of teamwork given in this poem. But in our daily life also there are some tasks that cannot be achieved or completed individually, and there you have to work as a team only. I hope you enjoyed this poem. New words. Teamwork. Combined effort of a group. Hoop. Wooden or iron ring. Passes. Meaning move onward. Relay race. Meaning a race between teams of which each person does part of the distance. Baton. Short tube or stick carried in relay race. Complete the following sentence. Number 1. If nobody passes the ball in a basketball, then you can't. Children, what is the answer? Yes, then you can't shoot. Number 2, in a relay race, if no one passes the baton, then what is the answer? A relay race can't go on. Name the team members needed for the following. Number 1, to play cricket, we need batsmen, bowlers, and fielders. Number 2, to run a good school, we need teacher, students, principal, peon. Number 3, to make a film, we need directors, actor, actress, cameraman, etc. To run a restaurant, we need chef, manager, waiters, etc. Thank you.